Hello, everyone. This week we're going to be talking about virtualization and the software that we need for to get this accomplished. First thing we're going to do is we need to go into VMware and you need to download some software from there. And it's pretty much straightforward. You're just going to go to this download VMware download tab, and we're going to look for Workstation Pro. After you do that, it's gonna ask you to create an account, and you're gonna create your account, and you could then it's going to allow you to download the software that you need. The software that you need is basically this file. It says VirtualBox is what you really need, and you need VMware. It's going to tell you after you download the VMware, it's going to ask you to download the newest version of VirtualBox, and it's just install that. All right. After you do that, you're gonna need an ISO file, which is gonna have the operating system which you want to install, and it could be any operating system. But once you get your operating system, your ISO file, which is an image, you have to right click on your image, and you're just gonna burn this image into a CD or DVD. You just click on that. It's gonna say, okay, where's your DVD drive? Is on the is it's on the in this case is the E drive. So I'm just gonna cancel this out, but I already have a DVD image, and you're gonna get something like this. So you need all the bootable disk for the visualization to work. And okay, so since we already have that visualization software downloaded, we run it just by double clicking it, and it's gonna do its thing. It's gonna install. After you install it, you're gonna come up with this session here. All right, so you after you install the VirtualBox, the updates, and the VM software, and you expand your DVD, your ISO file into a DVD, which is creates a bootable DVD. Now you could come in here and create your new virtual world for that we're gonna be running Linux on. All right, so again, this is a Windows computer with a running VM software to create an environment for Linux. So I'm just going to call this just Linux because this is my Linux um, environment. And here you will select any operating system that you want. But again, you have to have the DVD drive and expand that ISO file. So let's keep it in Linux. And here you're going to pick the operating system or the version. I know that the one I have is Debian 64 bits. So just click on that next. And this is pretty much straightforward. You just click next, next, and next. And it'll allow you to create your virtual environment. Right, here's my virtual environment now. So now what? So now you get to start it. Right, and so it's gonna go through the thing. It's gonna ask you where is the DVD, is where you're running it. And I again when telling the DVD is on my E drive in this case, and it's gonna do its thing, and you can see it's gonna boot as a Linux environment. And this is the operating system that we're gonna be running on, and it goes through all the boot process, and you have a fully functional Linux environment in which you could test, play around with, and test your commands. All right. If you have any questions, you know where to reach me. After this is done, it's gonna come up with the desktop layout of this version of Linux. And if you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Take care, guys.